Okay, here we are with the perfect solution filler for adaptive. I'm just going to go ahead and walk you through a couple things real quick. This is the controls over here on the side. You're going to have a digital counter controller for turning your revolutions. I'll walk you through how you use that. You have your power on switch. This is your clutch. This is going to turn your clutch brake on or off, so in the on position. This is your agitation. Right now we're in with fill. What that means is every time the auger turns, the inside, the blade that sweeps the wall of this hopper will turn. CONT is continuous. You most likely won't use that for any of your applications unless we're going really high speed. Mostly we'll be in with fill. Again, the agitation blade will turn when the auger turns. In the back here is your controls. Right here are your motor starters. These are like your circuit breakers, of course. These are all wired up for you. You're only going to bring 110 volts, which we have a plug coming out. A couple 110 plugs. You'll plug them in, and for initiation, you're going to come right into the terminal strip here. Wires number 3 and wire number 10. You can see we have them hooked up here. That is your initiation for your fill. So you'll be tying right into the 3 and 10. We came in with a hole right here. We came in with a hole where you'll come up with the wires right into 3 and 10. Other things, this is the back of your counter. These are the back of your switches. Basically, again, you're only going to have to worry about, this is your power supply. You only have to worry about bringing in 3 and 10. I'm going to switch over to up here. This is the top of the machine where your the side covers are. You have some vents that are going. The motors do heat up in there, so we do automatically put the vents on there with the fan. Your clutch brake is in there, along with your agitation motor, with your sprocket chain. Down inside here is, if you can see, that's your auger shaft. You can see your auger shaft is slotted there. That means you can raise and lower your auger through that slot. There's a spinner plate on the bottom of the collector funnel, so to raise or lower that, you just raise or lower this auger shaft. The blade, it's kind of hard to see, but it's back there. That's what sweeps the inside wall of the hopper. Down here, a couple things that you have. This is your hopper. This is your hopper coupling. You're never going to loosen up these bolts right here. You're only going to loosen up this bolt right here. This bolt will take this hopper down. So loosen this bolt up. This L bracket and coupling come off with the hopper. You put it right back up. It's self-aligning. There's 2 dowel pins in the back of this. Again, you won't have to ever touch these bolts here. This is what we call your collector funnel assembly. This is your collector cover and your clamp ring. This is your funnel, and inside there is your auger. And inside that collector funnel is your spinner plate. You'll see this when you take it off. We again provided a long nozzle for you down here, which you can, we said you can cut back to whatever you want. This is just the tube where the product will drop down. Of course, we haven't received any of the product. We are going with the free-flowing setup right now. But if your product comes in and you have any problems, please send it to us so we can take a look at it. I'm just going to go ahead and around the top here, we did provide the quick release clamps for your hopper, of course, and these 2 fittings which you asked for, the tri-clover fittings. Over here, you do have a jog button. This is to jog the auger. This bypasses everything. You push this button in and the auger will turn automatically for you. I'm going to go ahead and just run a few, grab a little product and run a few containers for you. Okay, right now we're just going to be running a few grams of salt through here for you. And again, if you want to go ahead and run it continuously, I'm running with a foot switch, you're going to be initiating that's how it will look on the machine. And that is pretty much it. This is your mounting base. You're going to be mounting right onto your frame. And this is your column, we call that, the aluminum column. And that's about it. So please give us a call if you have any other questions. Our number is 610-466-1440. This is Image Fillers. Thank you.